the room various planets going out from the sun. We used a weather balloon that was supposed to be 8 feet tall. And then the planets in proportion to that sun. Here we get Earth, we had Mercury, Venus, and Earth, and a little bit of the overhead light in there. And next we will see, hopefully, Mars. Long time on Earth, and there in the far distance is. Yes, good enough. At the edge of somebody there, dwelling on the 8-foot-high Earth as a ping-pong ball, 8 foot high in diameter sun, and the Earth a ping-pong ball. Here's Mars, smaller yet than Earth. Against a blue background rather than a space background, and there we see Jupiter, the size of a soccer ball and looking strangely like a soccer ball as compared to the 8 foot in diameter, great big sunspot today, Sun. Here is Jupiter with the big red spot. The mini-moon's not shown, but on Saturn, yes, the rings of Saturn are indeed shown in this model. Going out from the sun, Jupiter, now Saturn. There will be more. The brilliant rings, and again no moons. Uranus or Uranus, nothing personal. Now dangling in front of us, literally and figuratively. A smaller ball and a matching sized one, Neptune, which recently was further away than Pluto, but not in the old days back at Westwood. Not when the class of 68, 69 made this film. Finally, far, far away, oh so far away and oh so small, Pluto. Then we made another half of the film soon here called Ed Ignorant Ace Astronaut. But here is shown a imperfect, typical model in the classroom, inaccurate in size, inaccurate in distance, and misleading in many ways, although it does have the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. They're in a straight line, which only occurs every several hundred years. Here is a real scale, 1 inch equal 10,000 miles, Mercury, 250 feet. 1 inch equal 10,000 miles, Venus. I mean, it's 300 feet, 600 feet away from the school. And in the Earth, approximately 900 feet across from Westwood at the church across the street to the east. Planet Earth and Mars, I take it. Then we go clear to Mohawk, 1 inch equal 10,000 miles from Mohawk. Every inch of that distance equals 10,000 miles in space. Uranus, over at what was the very active Pasa, and finally Neptune, and clear off 6, Uranus, Neptune, and at 6 miles away, every inch 10,000 miles, is Pluto at Bloom Trail School. And then Psychedelic Effect, so modern. As we go to the more humorous half of the film, Ed Ignorant Ace Astronaut in part 2, starring John Wells.